To avoid future payment blocks on Uber, it's important to understand the common reasons for these issues and take proactive measures. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth payment experience. Step 1. Review payment methods. Check your payment methods in a Uber app. Ensure that your credit or debit card information is up to date and that the card is valid and not expired. Step 2. Monitor account activity. Regularly check your account for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice anything suspicious, report it to Uber immediately to prevent potential blocks. Step 3. Maintain sufficient funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Follow Uber's terms of service. Familiarize yourself with Uber's terms of service and community guidelines. Violating these can lead to account issues, including payment blocks. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you experience any payment issues, contact Uber's customer support promptly. They can provide assistance and help resolve any problems before they escalate. By following these steps, you can help prevent future payment blocks and enjoy a seamless experience with Uber.